What's going on YouTube? We got TikTok live on the side. I want to go over a new strategy, that I am working on called the ORB, okay? And oh shit, it didn't stay. Oh no, it did. This is where we're at. Okay, cool. So, I already recorded some of this video, but I'm just gonna do a new one. I didn't post it, and I want to go from scratch. So first thing first, you're gonna need the ORB, aka Opening Range Breakout by ZZZ Crypto 123. Everyone watch this. This is gonna be probably one of the most simple strategies you can do to earn quick money in trading, especially as a beginner. Obviously, there's more advanced side to this, and this is something that I'm just starting to mess with, to be honest. And I'm surprised I hadn't heard of it sooner. So you want to be on the 15-minute time frame, okay? And it is very, very important. Oh, for some reason, you got to change the settings for the ORB to go let's try. It's going to be on military time. It's got to be the opening candle for New York session, okay? The opening candle for New York. So, New York time, it is, as everyone knows, 9:30. But for me, Pacific time, which is same as LA time, this is not, hold on. Oh, it's doing through, oh, it was. Oh, those are different lines. Okay, hold on. So for me, it was 13:30 and 13:45. That should be it. Wait. Let me zoom in. Nope, that's 5:30. So it's got to be 14:30, 14:45. 14:30, 14:45. Okay. Next, you have to be on the 15-minute time frame, everybody. 15-minute time frame. And I'm going to show you what I already had marked up here, okay? This is marked already up, and we literally tested trading it in live action, okay? So the 15-minute ORB strategy, you will go to the opening candle. The opening candle, that will be this one right here, this green candle, okay? The top and then the bottom. So the red line is the let's just get rid of that so you guys even have more screen to look at. All right, now watch closely. The green candle is the open, and the the green line is the open, the red line is obviously the low of the ORB. So if you have a breakout candle on the 15-minute above the high of it, where do we go? Of the high of the 15-minute. Why did it just do that? What the fuck? Hold on. We're right here. Okay. Then you can go down to the 5-minute. See the candle broke out above the green line. Okay. Oh, hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Broke out above the green line, right? You could then go long when it retested that green line, which it kind of wicked below, but did not close. Wicked on the green line again, wicked on the green line, and then shot up and exploded. You can put your stop loss below the red line, which is the low of the ORB. ORB meaning open range breakout, okay? Opening range breakout. It's the opening candle, the 15-minute candle of the New York Open. Okay? Now look at that. You could just in this strategy I was doing 1 to 2. So every trade was a 1 to 2. but technically you could have held this for a 1 to 3, almost a 1 to 4. But we are specifically going for 1 to 2s just to keep this realistic. We were live trading it, and then on the same day, technically, yes, it is an invalid entry, but after it breaks out again, it was still during the New York session. If it's not the New York session anymore, then don't take it. But it was still the New York session. We took a second one. Boom. Hit another. Stop loss is pretty big on that. But it was another 1 to 2. There's 2 W's. Now we go to the next day. Back to the 15 minute. Back to the 15 minute, right? Okay. This isn't it. This is it over here. Why does it keep hopping around every time? Okay. 2 winners. Now, next day. Where is the next day? And then, okay, I wanted to show this as an example. So, this is after, this is literally the same, no, the next day. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Here's the next day right here. This was a weird one. But remember, this was December 31st. December 31st. Last day of the year. Markets are very strange. We had the open close. We broke above it. Then we invalidated, went below it. Then we broke above it. Then we hovered in it. And it was just really ugly. Like, yes, it could have been a breakout, but it invalidated right away. So we didn't take it. We waited. But when it broke below it, here's the problem. It was 2:45 p.m. That technically is out of New York session my time. So that would have not been worth taking, okay? But we did it anyways. And we went down in the 5-minute time frame. It came back and we found a candle in here. It dropped down. We took a quick one. We got out, but it immediately pulled back up. Next day, look at this. And we're going to go live and practice it some more in just a second. So we're just showing you a recap of what we already did. So open range right here, top and bottom. We break out. We drop down to the 5-minute. Why does it keep doing this? This is not cool. It's maybe because I'm zoomed in. I don't understand why it's taking me so far back. Oh, because where the candles are. Okay, I'll just fast forward so it doesn't keep doing that. And then we found a candle right here. Look at that. Dropped down the 5-minute. We took the entry on the second green candle. And it was a banger. But it didn't go as high as we wanted it to, it looks like. But it still was an easy dub. You could have been in and out, in and out. This is a scalping type trade. Or strategy, I'm sorry. We're going to just fast forward. We had way more winners than losers, okay? Now, this is where we're at. We broke out. Let's zoom out to the 2-hour. This is, remember, we're back testing this strategy. I want to do it live with you guys. Okay. So, we don't have the orb yet. Oh, and the last orb, this was a tricky one. So, open range, we break out below it. We break out below, which calls for a short. It came back in. When we tapped it, we took it. Unfortunately, it invalidated and then wanted to go the other direction. But, okay, it's 9 a.m. We could have took it on this next candle for a 1 to 2. Right below the orb, boom, that's a 1 to 2.6. And it went way higher than that. But we're looking for 1 to 2s just to keep it simple. To help build your guys's. Now we're waiting for the next day. What time is this? 1 a.m. Okay, we're getting close to the orb. Looks like market wants to break down. Here we go. We are forming the orb. So it's this red candle right here. This is Bitcoin, but this strategy works really well on the indices like the SP 500, the NASDAQ. Also works really well on crypto and Forex pairs, gold, all that. It works literally on everything. Okay, so now we're back testing Bitcoin, okay? But I can show you this strategy on the SP 500. Very simple. Or the NASDAQ. I mean, literally, we're just basically showing the strategy. It doesn't even matter what we're trading. We're back testing. So, and after this one, I could happily do it for you, buddy. S'more 477. Everyone like, subscribe, follow. I appreciate them. I post and I go live every day. Also in my bio on the TikTok, you can get my YouTube page, which has more long-term form content. Right here. You have a lot more videos, long-term videos on my YouTube. I'm building up both of them. Would love to see you guys join both channels. All right. All in with Mitch, all one word. Got plenty of videos I post. So, okay, we got, boom, that candle. We go below, but then we wick back up. It's really not valid. We're going through it. Okay, we got a breakout. Now, let's drop down the 5 minute. We could now take a long on this green candle, a 1 to 2, stop loss below the red line. 1 to 2 right there. Okay? Boom. Boom. Doesn't have a lot of momentum yet. We're gonna see. Nothing too great yet. We're actually invalidating as we speak. When it comes down, it technically is an invalidation. So, we technically would have hit our stop loss, right? Here we go. Nothing. The momentum, the volume is... There we go. Holy crap. What? Oh, geez. Right now, this is called the ORB strategy. If you download, or not download, but type in ORB on TradingView, it is called the hold on. Jesus. Opening Range Breakout by ZZZ Crypto 123. Now, the thing about this is it works on everything. Stocks, crypto, Forex, commodities. It works on everything, but you got to go to the settings and you have to make sure that it's set to the 15 minute, and then you need to set it for the opening candle of the New York session, which is 9:30 Eastern time. So let's go over this one. If our stop loss would have been right below the orb, this would have taken us out. Okay. And when we break out and then break the below the green line, it's technically invalidated. Okay. So that's one thing to remember. Technically this would have been invalid. Okay. But I mean, if you would have had your stop loss below this, you would have been fine. And this green candle obviously would have hit your take profit. So it's kind of a, if you want it could have played out. I just can't believe how big this red candle is. January 9th, 1:15 p.m. That is huge. I don't know what maybe there was news that day. 1 mil MNQ, what do you look at for that? Okay. Look at this. Let's do this for you. Just for you. Watch this. I'm going to test this strategy on MNQ. I'm guessing it's a stock. MNQ. The 1 minute. Okay. Well, first off, there's nothing even on this chart. Is it a crypto or a stock? There's no crypto with MNQ. Micro NASDAQ? Oh, micro NASDAQ. Okay. It's futures. There we go. Okay. First off, you don't want to just trade the 1 minute. You need to look at what's going on. This is the 4-hour time frame, okay? You need to know what is going on the market. Now, let's add in the orb. Okay? Change the settings to the 15 minute. And then it's 14, for me, it's military time, 14:30, so 9:30 to 9:45. Boom. Let's go down the 15 minute. Okay. Perfect example. Look at this. Let's make sure. 12:30. Oh, it's gonna be a different time. It's at, hold on. Because they close for the day, so hold on, 12:30, so 4 hours, 11:30 to 11:45. Oh wait, oops, sorry. 11:45. Okay, watch this. 9:30. Okay. So this was just Friday. Here's the orb. Here's the green line. Here's the red line. We stay within the orb. Then we break out right here. Now we go down to the 5 minute. You could have got in on the breakout on the 1 minute or 5 minute and snagged a quick trade. Boom. Just on the breakout strategy. Let's go back and look at a different. Let's pick a random one. Okay, this one. So here's the opening candle. We do technically go below the red line, but we immediately come back up. So this one breaks out, but just wicks. You need a full body candle close. You cannot just have a wick. It does not count. So we just hover back and forth. Technically, these do break below and this one, but I would have waited and not taken it. Now here's where it gets tricky. This one broke above. Okay, this did break above and then failed to go, and it technically, when it comes back in, it's now invalidated. But from what I'm taught on the orb strategy is if it comes back down and wants to break out again, then it's, it's okay to go for the second time, or just hold through it and wait to see what happens. Where to go? Here it is. So if you would have held through it, technically, let's just say you would have waited for this breakout candle right here on the orb. You would have gotten on this next candle, took a 1 to 2, stop loss below. Oops. Stop loss below there, 1 to 2, boom, hit. And technically, the next day, we get it again. Yes, it broke way below it, and it breaking below it, technically you would go for the short because it broke below. Right here, you could have took the short. Here's the problem though. Well, actually, you could have took that short, and then it wanted to go that way and break through on the upside of the orb. But you could have snagged this little trade and been done for the day. This would have just mentally, I don't know. You could have then saw the breakout this way and got in on this candle. Honestly, you could have snagged that short and the long. So there was 2 plays on that day. This one's super easy. Look at this. This is March 17th. Oh, wait, hold on. March 17th, right here. Okay. March 17th. Boom, 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 boom. Full body breakout. Go down to the 5 minute. Shit, where was that? March 17th. Okay, let's just stay on the time frame. Could have gone on this candle. Boom, 1 to 2. Played out perfectly again. You can't make this up. This is an easy strategy. I mean, literally, get the orb indicator. It'll mark it up for you. This is super easy. Here's the other one that we played out, and then boom, on the breakout, you take it, hit. This one would have been iffy because technically on this day we did break below it. You could have gotten in, but the short only lasted a little while. It did not go very far. But then it did the same thing as the other one and broke up to the upside. I'm trying to find another one. Okay, so this one's perfect. Oops, look at this one. Candle started right here for the day. We go. We break below on this candle. We come back in, break below again. You would have, technically, you probably would have got in on the breakout. But let's just say you waited for this breakout, came back, tested it. It never broke. I mean, the whole time you could have had your stop loss above the green line and been secured. And then boom, 1 to 2 right there. Done. Done for the day. You could have just took that setup, been done for the day. Then you go to the next day. Perfect setup. Go, breaks out, keeps staying within the range of the orb. Breakout, boom. You drop down to the 1 to 5 minute to find the entry. You know, obviously this green candle is huge. And you would have had another successful. Now this is for the NASDAQ futures. For whoever just asked me. This is the orb strategy. This is what we're going over. Let's go back on play on Bitcoins. Just showing that this works for everything. Okay. Cycling through. Waiting for, what time is it? 6 p.m. Okay, let's let it play out for the next day. And we're going to start. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Breakout candle. I'm looking at it also. Yep. Okay. So, here's the candle. We break below. Candle wicks back into the orb. So, let's see what happens. Remember, I just want to say this real quick. There's no strategy that is 100% to the T, never loses. There's no 100% win rate strategy. It is, sure, you might have a month where you could hit 90 to 100% win rate, but there's no strategy that works every single time. There's always things that throw everything off. Every strategy can never win every single time. But as long as you have the right risk to reward ratio, a 50 or 60% win rate can make you consistently profitable in trading. So, okay. Now, oops, damn it. I clicked it too fast. Yes, we went below the red line. I do know that. But we had one, and then the next candle was instantly green back in. So, that would not be a good entry. And you wouldn't have entered on this red candle because you want to wait for it to completely close. But we got the breakout. Boom. One. I mean, honestly, that right there alone is a 1 to 2. Nice. Madison, what is your what strategy do you trade with? So this then came back. This came back to the green line. Could have maybe been a double entry. Look at this. Look how it respects the green line. I mean, the orb, the high of the open range, the open candle. Look how it bounces off that green line over and over, and then gives us a second entry even. And goes to a 1 to 5, almost a 1 to 6. I mean, you could have already hit your trade on this one And then on the second entry, you could have seen it respecting that green line over and over and took a second breakout. You could have snagged 2 on this setup on this day. Now we're going to let it play out, wait for the next day. I don't know about you guys. I haven't even been counting how many were winners and how many were losers. But I know there's way more winners than losers so far. We did NASDAQ, and now we're doing back to Bitcoin, backtesting the ORB strategy for everyone just tuning in. So yeah, Madison, you're going over opening range. Yes, sir. DJ Vito, you already know. We were doing it on NASDAQ for Madison, and then now we're doing it back on Bitcoin again, just showing that it works on anything. So here we go. We have a big juicy green candle on the opening. We did have a candle, kind of is a doji candle, go up, but it did not have a full body close, so it does not count. 1 first hour imbalance. Okay, yeah, I'm going over just the basics of ORB. This is on Bitcoin. We just did futures on the NASDAQ, showing this. I'm just showing you that this ORB strategy works on anything, crypto, Forex, futures, stocks. It does not matter. It works on indices. I mean, it works on gold, silver, commodities. Okay. Now, shit. Okay, we would have technically, we saw this red candle break out of the range, right? We would have dropped down. Remember, you have to do this on the 15-minute. Michael, welcome, by the way. Everyone follow, subscribe. Also in my bio, you can see my YouTube page, All In with Mitch, and also on X, I post more news events. On TikTok and YouTube, I go live and film videos. Obviously, the YouTube has more long-term video or long content format. So you wouldn't have gotten in on this candle because that's the first body close. Okay. Yes, it needs to be a big body close. It just cannot be just a wick, but it also needs to be on the 15-minute. So we saw on the 15-minute that it was a full green or red candle below, and then we can drop down after you see it on the 15-minute. Then you can drop down the 5-minute. Okay, and we could have got in on this candle. Obviously we're back testing, so it just loads it out, but we could have got in on that candle, put the stop loss above this, and went for the 1 to 2. We're just going for 1 to 2s for this strategy. So let's see. It is also important to follow. Let's see. Boom. That wicked in. That wicked into our take profit. You could have closed the trade on this candle right here. It wicked right into our take profit. So here's another winner. Chicken dinner. But if we come back to the red candle, or the red line of the orb, 6 and 3 trades looking at this. Yeah, I already found 6R in 3 trades looking at this. What do you mean? 6 winners? Alright, Madison, already found 6R, 6 risk to reward ratio, or 3 winners. Yeah, this thing, I mean, dude, I can't tell you. I've had countless mentors. Yeah, I know. It's so fucking simple and easy. It's a scalping strategy. It's just a quick, get your bag in the morning and be done type strategy. But, you could have one account just for scalping the orb strategy, and then have another account that you might do more intraday swing trade ideas, and separate the 2 accounts. You get what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm going to start implementing this, and I've had a lot of different mentors in trading over the years, and I'll be honest with you, none of them taught me this strategy. This simple, a lot of my mentors were more intraday, long-term day style traders, but I can't help it. I like this. I've been backtesting this all week, and dude, I've seen some major good results from this. Now remember, guys, if we got back to the red line, What exactly is this and what are we looking for? So I'm going over it. So this is called the ORB strategy, aka the opening range breakout. So what it is the beginning of the New York session. The green line is the top, the high of the New York open candle at 9:30 Eastern. Mine is Pacific time, so 6:30. Then the red line is the low, okay? Yes. Hey, Michael and N. This is backtesting, but yes, it is. Yes, it is. Both of you guys, DM me. I know this might be more advanced for some people. My whole goal is to help people out and get them. I use the same strategy, but I'm refining it now. It's awesome. Awesome. All of you guys, DM me if you want to learn how to trade more in depth, learn how to trade. All you got to do is DM me on TikTok. Also, go over to my YouTube. So Madison, I love that you just asked that. I'm about to start a Discord channel. I'm in the works of it right now. I'm making a brand, the All In with Mitch brand. It's like the all in mindset. You give it your all. You don't go into anything half-assed. So far, it's mainly just for, trading and crypto, but I am trying to build a brand where it's more like I want to give people financial education. I own a business selling used cars here in Portland, Oregon, outside of day trading and content. And it's opened my eyes a lot to a lot of people just are not financially educated, man. And I want to help a lot of people when it comes to financial education, but also learning how to put your money in assets. And yeah, awesome. Madison, DM me. Please send me. I know I can't do it from right here when I'm on live. Will you just send me a DM and a follow, and we'll definitely talk. Like, yeah, I'm a part of a training community. I'm starting my brand, but I am involved in the biggest education platform out there. This is a live schedule of all of our educators. I mean, there's nothing that tops this community. Also, this is where I learned how to trade. We are worldwide. We have every language. We also have these tools to use outside of just education. We have signals, obviously. We call out trades, but we also have these AI generated programs that you get included. Let's just look at the last Solana trade. It called out 3 days ago. This is called harmonic patterns, and instantly the AI finds these patterns in the market. Okay, so all you had to do was literally, it called Solana at 135.90 or 399 for a short based off of the pattern, harmonic patterns. It dropped. Take profit goal 1 was 130. Take profit 2 was 128. Both of these hit. It has not hit take profit 3, which is 121. That's the long swing idea. But you could have just took take profit 2, called it a day. Let's see. Looks like this one was invalidated, unfortunately. Cardano, it called Cardano out to the T. Look at that entry. It wicked right into it. No, we do Forex, crypto, and stocks. As you've seen just a minute ago, these are all the Forex traders, to be honest. And then, if you go back, hold on, I gotta log in. I'll just show you what you guys. And please, anyone that's interested in joining the biggest community there is, learning hands-on how to trade, they're live every day. Look at Forex, stocks, and crypto. Yes, there is e-commerce, and the personal development is more of a mindset thing. It's just included. I mean, you get everything. So let's just say we do stocks and crypto. So we look at the schedule. Obviously, you're going to have your favorite educators. This guy's been around since 2015. He is by far my favorite. Then, say you missed his live session. Okay, you still got the recorded sessions down here. Then you go to favorite sessions. You got all his favorite sessions, his like top videos I put up there. But he's live. You go back to the schedule. This guy personally is live Tuesdays and Thursdays. This guy right here is live Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. every day. And then you got, oh, this is him also. So he has two different things. But remember, this is in every language too. There's translations for every single language. That is what's so cool about this, is we have made it so we can help anyone, anywhere. We have teams in every country pretty much. There might be some that we're missing probably, but for the most part, the big countries, we're in it. There is nothing that tops this. I mean, the live education, hands-on. While he's live, you can literally ask questions. You can literally ask them questions while it's live in the chat box. They answer your questions. It's hands-on. But you also have, you know, a mentor and a team that's more local. Like my team personally is in the Portland and Seattle and California areas. Obviously we meet up and stuff like that. So don't want to get too sidetracked. All right, just please, anyone that's really wanting to learn how to trade, first off, follow my YouTube, my TikTok, and my X. They are free, obviously, and I've started these to help people out, and I appreciate all the likes, follows, and DMs and comments. And I also, if you really want to get more in depth and get into a community and really learn how to trade like on a deeper level, like for sure, DM me. I will respond and we will talk more. So we are still doing the orb strategy. You could have took this short. It would have hit on the wick just barely. And we are going to move on to the next day. As you guys can tell, how to use the smaller time frame to enter. So it really depends. Outside of this orb strategy, I like to see what's going on in the daily, the 4 hour, look for the right entry zones on the 1 hour, and then I will zoom down to the 15 and 5 minute. Oops, I'm sorry guys, we went past it, but this was another super easy thing. Trade. Look at the volume on the red candle in the open. The volume was telling us there was selling pressure. And then we immediately get a half the body below the orb. We zoom into the 5 minute because we did see the candle break on the 15 minute. Boom. Entries right there, right above the candles. And then we go for a 1 to 2. Shit, we could have took a 1 to 3 on this one. Super easy. Done for the day. And it continued to dump even more. And the cool thing about this, guys, is sometimes, yeah, I mean the 15 minute is good, but you want to get you want to zoom out and see the bigger picture on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, then go down the 15 minute. Let me show you guys actually one more really good tool that our platform has that really could help you guys, especially on smaller time frames and entries. It's called Impulse. Okay. This has Forex, commodities like gold and silver, oil. Then it has crypto. Then it has indices like the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, blah blah, etc., etc. So if you look here, without even having to look at the chart, you can see the 1 day's bullish, the 4 hours bearish, the 1 hour's bearish, 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bearish. Then you choose your time frame, right? This is better on a smaller time frame. We're down on the 5 minute, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you're gonna have your RSI down here, and you have the EMAs and this cloud that follows suit, right? So when we broke above, obviously the bigger line was red, okay? But when we broke above that red line, then came back to here into the cloud, right? I call it the cloud. This right here signaled an awesome opportunity when the line here formed. Quick trade. Boom. Stop loss below here. Just a quick example, okay? This is on the 5 minute. You can also add in the macro pivot line. the macro trend, micro pivot. So you see the micro pivot line here. It's indicating, you know, maybe going to the downside, but it's the end of the week. So let's look at the Bitcoin one real quick, or the crypto one, and then we'll look at Bitcoin specifically. Sorry. So you see here, we did come down. Macro pivot line and micro pivot line are both indicating this isn't a good entry, but we do see the blue crossing the red, but we have yet to break this the upper red line. We need to see this. So these aren't indicators. These are part of the education platform I am in. They are AI tools that come with your education. They are tools that you can use. They are very helpful. They are, you know, I use them on a daily basis. Obviously, I still use TradingView. Just wanted to show you guys, if you guys want to learn more about how to trade and really want to get in depth on learning and join the top education platform and community, just please DM me. I promise I will hit you up and we will talk more. Amalia, I don't want to pronounce your name wrong. Just send me a DM and then we can talk some more. I mean, it doesn't hurt just to talk, right? I mean, no matter what, no hard feelings. You can always join my TikTok and my YouTube channel and my X. Those are obviously always free. And I'm here to just help you guys out. Amelia. Okay. For the orb, what are you using for the SL range? So it is different on every trade. So like some say above, it is different. So like for this one, you could have took your stop loss just above this candle that broke out. You can do it above the breakout candle. But you can also say for this one, it's a short, right? We're breaking below. You couldn't, like if you want to, your stop loss can be, and in some cases will be, above the green or red line. And if it breaks the green or red line, then obviously it's a done deal, right? Not to say that the orb can't have a second entry though. It is possible. On the previous trade way over here, you did see it. We broke, no, not that one. We had a double entry, which is okay. It's not, you know, like this one. We went, oh no, we just retested the line. And you see how it respects that, the high, the green line. It respects that line, or the red line. It will respect it a lot. And it's pretty amazing because it's like, you can't make this shit up. Like, you see it with your own eyes. It's, that opening candle of New York market is so strong. So this one, no, not that one. It was this one. So you see here that we broke, we could have took a quick trade. It came back and even broke below the red line right here. Okay. It did break below it, but once it came back in, and remember crypto, this is Bitcoin. It is a little more volatile, right? You saw in the NASDAQ one, it was a little more easier to find the for sure hits, right? On the trades, on the NASDAQ one, it was a little bit cleaner, but crypto is a little more volatile, which is fine. I mean, it's what I personally trade the most. And then boom, a second breakout, and this one even ran higher than the last one. So let's go test the orb on XRP. All right. Oh shit, let me just get a fresh chart for XRP for you guys. Let's do this one. Okay. We're going to get a fresh chart on the orb. We have to set the time correctly. Hold up. We have to have it for the opening candle of 6:30. For some reason, you got to change the settings for like every pair. It's kind of weird. I mean, I get it for stocks and stuff, but every crypto should be the same, but it's not. Hold on, let me make sure it's correct. 6:30. Okay, there it is. So let's just go to a random day. Let's do this one. Okay, so this would have been an iffy one. Okay, this is on XRP. We're testing the ORB strategy. Crypto has been really shaky lately, but oh no, this is back at October 2024. It's in the same date. So first we break below, and some people might have taken, you know, if they were doing the ORB strategy, they would have taken, if we break down the 5-minute, there would have been a candle to enter on this wick, and maybe just took a quick in and out bag. And you could have. And you actually could have just hit in and out. But then we come back, we break out here, could have got on the breakout there, and boom, took another snag. Get what I'm saying? So the next day, welcome everyone that just joined. How you guys doing? We are trading the ORB strategy, showing you guys how to use it. It has to be on the 15-minute. The ORB strategy is the open range breakout. So the first candle of New York Open, which is 9:30 Eastern time. Okay, we're over here. Sorry. This is the first candle of the breakout of the New York session. So we broke below. It's kind of a iffy one. Then we break above it. Then we move sideways on it, and that would have just been completely ugly. Now this one also broke above. This could have showed you big volume too, and you would have probably got in and got psyched, because this might have stopped you out depending on where your stop loss was. But then it gave you the perfect breakout right there. Because maybe you took it here and maybe it stopped you out, but then you saw it come back, break out, and you would have gotten in the second one and it would have ran. Or maybe you missed this one and you got in on this second one. But here's the problem. It is crypto, but this would have been at 4 in the afternoon. See what I'm saying? And then it came back, tested again at 3 in the morning and ran. Now this one's good. On this, it did break out. This is obviously invalidated when it came back in. Broke out, came back, tested the red line right on the money. And you could have took a 1 to 4 on it. Or just took your 1 to 2 like we've been showing, and that would have played out literally to the T. Cannot make this up. This would have been perfect. Here would have been a bumpy, but then 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, all of a sudden it ran. This one would have been really good. So it broke out perfectly, came back in. Technically, this is an invalidation because it came back into the range. But when it broke back out here, you could have broke down to the 5-minute, found another entry in here, probably. Oops. And you could have snagged that. But also remember, this is back when XRP, before the SEC, before Trump won. So we're going to get rid of the backtest. We're going to go to real-time data and see if XRP is working better now. So this would have probably psyched you out. This would have been a perfect ORB breakout. Look at that. Boom. Could have got in and out. That was just the other day. That was on Thursday. But here's the thing is, it's very key to trade the ORB following the trend on the higher time frames. Okay? This is on the 4-hour. So now we're kind of seeing it in a different manner because, oh, we do. You know, like okay, we're kind of breaking out. We're still bearish long term, but we're kind of breaking out. So maybe, this would have been an easy. This was Friday. We broke out. You could have just snagged a quick, really quick trade there. Just in and out on Friday. Hello, everyone joining. How you guys doing? Everyone, like, subscribe, follow. I go live every day. I also have a YouTube channel, All In with Mitch. All you have to do is type in All In with Mitch or go to my TikTok bio. Let's see if we got any new subscribers. No one followed, no new subscribers on the YouTube. What's going on, man? Like, yeah, you guys are following me. I appreciate it on TikTok. But go over to YouTube and follow me on there too. It's more long-term content. Look at this one. This would have been an amazing breakout. Boom, right on the green line. Go below the breakout candles. Easy. Shit, that would have been a 1 to 7 right there, dude. Actually, technically, if you would have held it, it could have been a 1 to 25 on that. Oh, man, that would have been a big daddy trade right there. Literally, last week when XRP broke out on Wednesday, back up to 260, dude, if you would have traded the ORB strategy Tuesday and got in on the breakout, you could have caught that entire wave just on the ORB strategy. You guys see that? Last Wednesday when XRP blew up and some other cryptos that exploded, you could have caught the whole ride just based off the ORB strategy. I mean, here's another perfect one. So we come up, break, come up, test the red line, stop loss above the red line, boom. Easy trade. But you could have held it. I would have, like, let's be realistic. You holding it to here would have been really smart because of the support here, right? You got to be mindful of the support and the resistance. Like, yeah, we're trying to take 1 to 2s, which this would have been a 1 to 3 almost. Stop loss above the high of the orb, and then take it down just to the support of both of these, or to here. I mean, that would have been a safe, almost 1 to 3, easy trade. Sure, the orb, I mean, this would have been even easier. Orb breaks out, you catch it, this would have rode all the way up here if you wanted to, or just to here. Another one, orb breaks below, look at that. Orb breaks below, first candle of the day, comes back in a little above the red line, and then you short here. Boom. Boom. Easy trade. I mean, the orb strategy, you can test it on anything. It works. It really, really works. Sure, this day it dropped, then broke above, and then broke out at London session at 1 in the morning. But man, let's do the SP 500 for all you future and indice traders. Let's do the SP 500. So it's showing, what time? 10:30. So we need to change this to, what's that? 13. Just need to change it to 12:30, 12:45. Okay. Oh no, I'm thinking shit. That's Eastern time, 9:30. I'm not Eastern time. Sorry, guys. So sorry about that. Okay. Oh shit. It's 5:30. Sorry, guys. 9:30, 9:45. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we're on the money. Sorry about that. So we're doing SP 500 now, okay? Right here, just the first one I'm looking at. Perfect breakout, perfect trade. We break out, get on the second candle. Boom. Easy. Matter of fact, let's just act like we don't see all this and go backtest it. January 1st, 2024. So, okay. Here we go. All right, so let's just see. We're bullish. We know that. Obviously, it's the SP 500. Of course, we're bullish. Okay. Now, last day broke out, came up, going to the next day. Hold on, guys. Oops, shit. Okay, I missed it. I apologize. So, okay. First open candles, big and red. This actually is technically the first valid candle that broke out below it. We might have missed it, or it's going to come back and test it, which is good. So, we could look at the 5-minute. And it's not really a good entry. And I'm just not too sure, honestly. But ORB broke out. I'm just not super confident with this one, I'll be honest with you. But we'll try it. We'll try it. See, it's already coming back to the ORB. If it comes into the ORB, it's invalid. Yep. So that would have hit our stop loss. We have to close this now. That would have been an invalid one. Go back to the 15-minute. Watch it now drop all of a sudden. Of course it did. That's why I'm tweaking some of the ways. How's everyone doing? We're testing what's called the ORB strategy. So, I mean, earlier at this point, we could have just closed the trade, but you also could have moved your stop loss to break even, right? Oh, keep in mind, this is, oh no, that's October 1st, 2024. I meant to do, I didn't do October, but okay. Oh shit, here we go. And remember, the overall trend on the bigger time frame is bullish. So that's something that you have to consider on the strategy is the overall trend is bullish. Yeah, the ORB broke out, but I mean, honestly, it would have actually played out because yeah, we came back in, but we didn't go above the green line or anything. So there's different ways that you can do this. First candle, okay, we got a breakout. We go long. Let's see what happens. Boom. Test the green line. We are at break even. Let's see what happens. Volume is not looking the best yet. There we go. We get another breakout candle to the upside. Ah. Come on, baby. Come on. And also we have to draw up. There's our entry. We take it up to right there, maybe. We gotta move our stop loss. Really depends. You can put your stop loss below the breakout candle. Everyone that's jumping in, hey, how's it going? Oops, I did not mean to do that. My bad. If you want to join, you can, but I didn't mean to. Sorry, I clicked on someone to invite. Sorry, I didn't know the screen wasn't showing. Okay, so let's see what the breakout does. We are testing what's called the ORB strategy. It's Open Range Breakout. Okay. Oh shit. See, we're getting into 10 p.m. So this obviously was a low volume day. Nothing really happened. Now we're about to get the next day's orb. There it is. Okay. So we need a 15-minute candle to break above. These are just wicks, so they don't count. Okay. Now we have a red candle close below. We're going to reverse this. Not looking great already. So far, testing this on SP, this would have been invalid. This would have been done. Now it's a bullish breakout. So, I mean, and then now it wants to go. See? Sometimes, so far, testing this on SP 500 is not working super well. But this is also a very choppy market. This is October 2024. It's obviously a very choppy market. And obviously we're going into a red box, which is something I previously marked up because there's going to be resistance here. And we broke out and it ended up being successful, but it's during London. I'm just closing it because it shouldn't count. Let me get rid of this box because this is going to confuse everybody. I should have grabbed a brand new chart. My bad. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're about to get the next day's orb. That one. So originally, this orb, oh wow, this thing just melted immediately during market open. So this would have been, you could have got in a short on this wick. And this would have been coming to the downside. Boom. Right? And that would have wicked into your take profit. So that would have closed the trade. And it might even go lower. Maybe. But it didn't matter. The trade already hit. But it's respecting the red line. Then it breaks above it. Makes it invalid. Right? But it's end of day, so 3 p.m. You wouldn't want to take that breakout because you got to stay in the New York market. So this would have been invalid. I mean, that would have been valid over here. The trade, the short, that would have hit. It would have been a small trade, just in and out of the market. But we are testing this on different things. Hey, if someone wants me to test the orb strategy on a certain stock, crypto, commodity, anything, let me know. I will test it on anything you want me to. If anyone wants me to test it on anything. Also, follow, like, subscribe. Everyone. If anyone wants me to test a certain stock, commodity, crypto on the orb strategy, let me know. I will personally test it on anything. Right now we've done gold, we've done Bitcoin, we've done NASDAQ. Okay, we got a new orb. It is bouncing around. We don't have a full body. It needs to be a 15-minute body close above or below the orb. Okay, so we just got it. Red candle below. See what the next one gives us, but then it's invalid, so we wouldn't have taken it. That's showing. Now this could be a short. There we go. Boom. Look at that. Like I said. So we took it right on that red candle. And look how it played out. Could have just had your stop loss above here. And we are already at a 1 to 4 trade. 1 to 4. Boom. You close the trade, which I will right now, and you're done for the day. Boom. Done. 1 to 4. I would just play with the inside of the trend and take whatever comes out. No, you want to see a break above or below. You don't want to play in the middle. That's not what you want to do. So you saw this one just play out. keep in mind, everyone, this is a so this is a new strategy that I am testing out. We're backtesting. We are backtesting. We did Bitcoin, we did gold, just showing that the ORB strategy works on any asset out there. It works on everything. So I have a indicator. You type in ORB. The one I'm using is called ORB by ZZZ Crypto 123. It is the Open Range Breakout. That's what it stands for. And all it is you got to change the settings to the 15-minute on the set. When you go to settings, you got to do 15 minutes, and you have to do whatever for your time zone. You need it to go to the opening candle of the New York session, so 9:30 Eastern. Okay, and then it marks the high and the low. You could just mark the things yourself too. This is not this is Trading View. This is called Trading View, my friend. You guys want to learn how to trade? First off, follow my TikTok, my X, and my YouTube account. Just type in All In with Mitch at YouTube, or just go to my TikTok and the link is in the bio. And just DM me if you're really trying to learn how to trade. I'm a part of the biggest education platform. We offer AI scan tools in the market. We also have live educators that go live Monday through Friday, some on Saturday and Sunday. This is for Forex, and then we have stocks and crypto as well. And they are live. You can ask them questions. You jump on. The recorded sessions are also recorded. There's nothing out there that tops what we offer. And if you really want to learn how to become a consistent profitable trader and join the biggest community out there, DM me. I got you. And I will personally help your journey to become a successful trader. But also, yes, the TikTok and the YouTube is free, of course. And I consistently go live and post videos. So, you see here, we got a breakout. Okay, let's see what the next candle does. Undecisive. See what the next one does. Okay, this would be our buy. We are buying now. Let's see what happens. Boom! Oh my goodness! So, this is where we decide, right? We got in here. This would have been, just that alone is a 1 to 2. Could have been done for the day on a 1 to 2. Do you know? Let me show you guys something. Let me show you something. And then here it is. The Opening Range Breakout trading focuses on the first few. Hold on. What's going on here? Let it figure itself out. First few minutes of the market open, the strategy is attractive to traders because entry and exit points are defined, leaving no gray area. This strategy is typically traded on lower time frames, such as the 1, 3-minute, and 5-minute time frame. Well, what I was taught was the 15-minute candle rule. Okay, so let me show you guys something. Compound interest calculator. Okay. I want to show you guys something, okay? So let's just say you started trading, you have a $500 account. Estimated interest. Let's say that per week you are getting, let's just say you're getting, and think about it. So for every trade you take and you hit a 1 to 2, let's say you're risking 1% to gain 2%. So let's just say, and you take 5 trades a week, okay? 5 trades a week. Let's say you hit 3 of them 1 week. Let's just say on average you hit 3 out of 5 trades, which gives you, that would give you 6%. And you lose 2%. So you're gaining 4% a week. This is just basics Okay, basics. So you're gaining 4% a week, okay? Because you're hitting 3 trades, which you're getting 6% from, because you're risking risking 1 to get 2, but you hit 2 of those, 2, 4, 6, that's 6% in a week, and you're losing 2 trades a week out of 5, and that is losing 2%. So you got 4% profit per week. Do that 4 weeks in a row, and you're doing that for 12 months. 192% gain. So 192%. Let me just double check that's all correct. So 4% a week for 4% a week for 4 weeks, 16 times 12 months, 192. 192%, guys, okay? $500. You start with a $500 account. Hold on. $500 account, you got 192 you grew it by 192%. Length in time in years. Let's do 5 years, okay? And we're going to do annually. Calculate. Oh, the interest rate. Wait, this isn't the right one. Hold on. Let's just say you grew 100% in a year. It's not letting me go. Wait, what? No. This isn't what I'm. This isn't range of 192. Sorry. There we go. Wait. This isn't the right calculator. Hold on, guys. This isn't the right calculator. Hold on. Savings goal calculator. Oh, here we go. $500. Oh, no. Let's say you want to make 100K. Initial investment, $500. Years to grow, 5 years. Your interest rate will be 192%. No, this is not the right. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm sorry. Here we go. $500. You're gaining, let's do monthly. You're gaining, what was it? 16%. Compound 12 years. 5 years total. No additional. Okay, here we go. In 5 years, if you're gaining 16% a month off of a $500 trading account, $500, okay? You're getting, if you're just getting 16% a month in trading with $500, in 5 years, you would grow that account to $3,685,100. I mean, do you guys see the power of this? Of a trading plan that you stick to. And over 5 years, what you could turn $500 into. Do you realize just hitting this simple setup? This is just one of many. It doesn't have to be this, okay? I'm just trying to show you that if you traded Monday through Friday, where is the start of the week? Where's Monday at? Monday. I guess we didn't trade the Monday one. We started on Tuesday, okay? This one was a very weird trade. We'll just take that one as our loss. Where did we start? So we're at 2 for 2. We hit this one. All right. You're gaining 2% on a trade. You're risking 1% to gain 2%. You're just going for 1 to 2s. Did this hit? This already hit a 1 to 2. So we would have just closed that, right? It's already good to go. We already hit it. We're just playing it out now, but I mean, boom, we close the trade. A 1 to 2. We keep going. This is Tuesday of the next week, I guess. Okay. So this is Tuesday. What was Monday? So Monday we hit our, actually we got 4. We got a 1 to 4 out of that one. So we're already up. We're already up 4% on that one, 2% on this one. We're at 6%. It's Tuesday. Now we keep moving. We're already up 6% for the week. Wait a second. Our goal is 6%. So, if you really think about it, if we're sticking to this plan of 16% a month, right? All we need is 4% in a week to get 16%. So if we just stick into this plan, we already hit 6%. It's only Tuesday going into Wednesday. I mean, you know, on our backtesting journey. Wait a second. Maybe I should just not even trade for the rest of the week. But we'll wait. We'll wait. Let's see if we see something. Boom. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's too easy. Okay. So, boom. Here's the opening candle. Boom. Green candle. Green candle. We got... That's the other thing. We got 3 consecutive green candles. Let's drop it down to the 5 minute. We're going to take the buy because our volume is just showing nothing but buys. We're going to mark this up for a 1 to 2. We're going to go below here. Let's see. We need it to go about here for the 1 to 2 with our stop loss being there. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. Boom. 1 to 2 hit. We are now at 8%. It's only Wednesday. We're already at 8%. We don't even have to trade for the rest of the week. Our plan is to get 16%. We're starting a $500 account. We just need 4% a week to hit 16% in a month. And in 5 years of doing that, compounding it to over $3.5 million over 5 years of sticking to 4% a week off a $500 account. Do you guys see the fucking power in that? I mean, compound interest is the most powerful tool when it comes to money. It really, really is. And people are always asking me, how much money do I need to start with? Well, first off, we're going to get you on a demo account, first off. But then second, I mean, dude, all you need to do is start with a $500 account or a $300 account and just first on the demo, you need to sit there and be able to make 4% a week. You know what I mean? Hello, everyone. Join in. We are trading. I'm showing you guys the power of compounding a trading account from the start and just gaining 4% a week. I know at first, so I want to say this. I know at first it's going to seem really small. I mean, because you're talking about 4% on $500 a week. Yes, your profits are going to be small. Okay, and that's where, you know, being patient comes in, because it's going to be small at first. Getting 16% on $500 in a month, right? You're only making $80 a month, right? But then that $580 next month by 16% turns into $92. So $580 plus 92. Now you're at $672 the next month. Then you go 16%. That's 107. So then it's 672 plus 107. You see how fast it builds up, right? No, you are not placing the 500 on one trade. You are literally on all these trades. We are risking 1% of your account to gain 2%. And you're doing that all the way at the beginning, right? Like, I'm at a point where I trade risking like 2 to 3%, honestly. But, you know, in the beginning, I'm telling people do a demo account first, where it's just not real money. You're just demo trading. And then yeah, let's start you with $300 or $500 account and just build it 1% per trade. So right now, for tuning in, we're showing the compounding interest power. So $500 account. If you gain 4% a week for 5 years, you would turn a $500 account into $3.5 million, over $3.5 million. If you consistently, just consistently, we're making 4% a week. And we're just showing this. So this is Monday, just trading the ORB strategy. Wait, where is it? This is Monday. We're up 4% on that one, 2% on this one, 2% on this one. We're already up 8% and it's turning into Thursday. We don't even need to trade. And that's okay. You don't always have to trade. Like if you're already up 8% for the week, why would you even trade, right? Unless we see some godly setup, yeah, we can afford to risk 1%. So I mainly trade crypto, but right now I'm showing that this ORB strategy works on anything. This is the SP 500, Jay. We already did Bitcoin, we already did gold, we already did NASDAQ. Now we're doing SP 500 on the ORB strategy. So what it is you're going to the 15-minute time frame. The ORB is the open range breakout. So it's the high and the low, right? The green line's the high and the low is the red of the opening candle of the New York market, which is 9:30 Eastern time. So you wait for a 15-minute candle to break above either or break below the red line. This candle just broke above it. We're going to look at one. Oh, see, the next candle didn't look too great. Came back down. If we get a green one, this could be a buying point or a buying zone. We're already up 8% this week, but we're willing to risk on one trade. Okay, let's just see, just because we're obviously just backtesting. All we got to do is get to that green line to get another 2%. We'd be up 10% for the week. Shit, all we need is 16% for the month to be able to get our 16% goal for the whole month. We might hit 10% already. Let's see what happens. Boom, boom, boom. 10%. Take it. Boom. Done. You're up fucking 10% for the week. The next day's Friday. I wouldn't even touch it. Let's just play it out. We don't even care. We're already up 10% for the week. But let's just look how it's respecting the ORB, the open range, right? It's respecting the fuck out of it, right? Dude, I can't make this shit up. So we're already up 10% for this week. Let's just go over here. All we need is, I'm showing you guys, compounding account, starting with $500, just gaining 4% a week, which is 16% in a month. Over 5 years would get you $3.6 million from $500 if you just grew 4% a week. And you can literally, I just started this on a Monday on the backtesting, and we're already up 10%. 4%, 2%, it's 10% total. So we're going to look at Friday's ORB, but we probably shouldn't even trade it because, oh, shit. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that? I clicked it too fast, but I'm telling you right now, we would have taken this fucking trade. Do you see how easy this was? This was a super simple one. I mean, look how easy that one was. Fuck. We missed it. So, okay, so you wait for the ORB, right? This is the ORB, the opening candle. Here's the high, here's the low. You wait for that. It draws the green and the red line, right? This is the opening candle. Then you wait for a full body break above or below the lines. So that's you. It depends on the scenario. A lot of the times, like this one, you could put your stop loss below that previous candle before the breakout. This would have played out perfectly. Boom. You would have entered on the breakout after this candle. You could have dropped down to the... You have to wait for a 15-minute, but you could have got in, dropped down to the 5-minute, and got in on that candle right there. Right? and this thing would have played out. So if we took that one, that's 12% that week. 12 fucking percent. Your goal is to get fucking 16% in a month. So we are at 12%. Oops, sorry, we forgot to add the 10 or the other two. We're at 12% of the month already. Wow. I mean, that's too easy, right? So let's fast forward. We're already done with that trade. I mean, that was too simple. So we're just letting this play out. Oh, and Tariki, I don't want to mispronounce your name. Tarisha? DM me if you're wanting to learn how to trade. First off, follow my TikTok and my YouTube. Obviously, my YouTube is also the same name as my TikTok, All In with Mitch. I'm building a brand. Yes, I trade live. And yes, I put all my I only trade with my real money. Tarisha. Okay, got you. My bad. My name is Alex. But my socials on YouTube, TikTok, X, and Instagram is All In with Mitch. All one word. I know up here it looks like it's spaced out, but all you gotta do is All In with Mitch, all one word. I appreciate the follows on all of them, and I post on all of them every day. I am building content to help everyone learn how to trade, but I also am a part of the biggest education platform. If you're really trying to dive deep, we have live educators every morning. This is where I learned how to trade, and probably someone else that you watch on social media learned how to trade. This has been around the longest. This is by far the best platform out there. Live education every day. Plus you got AI generated tools that comes with Forex, crypto, stocks, everything. So there's nothing like it. DM me if you're really wanting to dive deep and get consistent. But yeah, just send me a DM and I got you. I'll hit you up after the live. Tradeaholics, yes, all I do is trade my live accounts. I also do prop firms though. I also do prop firms where, you know, you buy a funded account, you have to pass the test, and then they give you the money to trade with. I do both, but I mainly just trade with my live money. And I mainly trade crypto, but I also do trade Forex, but mainly just gold and indices when it comes to Forex. Okay, so we are up 12%. Now it's the weekend, right? Or where were we at? Friday? Yeah, okay, so now we're waiting to go over into Sunday. We're not going to trade Sunday. This is the SP 500. So obviously, I was going to say backtesting will give you a false sense of hope. Well, backtesting is where you build strategies and where you build consistency. I usually trade crypto. I trade Bitcoin, Solana, ETH sometimes, SUI, XRP. Yeah, NQ is good. I'm not a big stock trader, my man. But when I go live, I always tell people, you want me to mark something up for you? I mark shit up for them. So I've been in crypto. I got my first Bitcoin back in 2017. I got my first full Bitcoin in 2017. Unfortunately, it's a funny story how I got it. Maybe one day I'll tell it. I got a full Bitcoin. Wasn't the right way, I guess you'd say, but I had like 1.5 full Bitcoin. As soon as it was up to like, I don't know, 8 grand, 9 grand, I sold it, right? Then back in 2020, I didn't really know shit, or 2019, I really didn't know nothing about markets, but I knew I trusted crypto. So I bought and I held all the way into 2021, and I made my first decent bag in crypto. And then in the process of that, in 2020, I started getting into day trading. I got connected with someone that is a part of this company that I am also a part of. And I dove deep. I was studying 8 hours a day. And, you know, now I'm like 5 years into it. I trade full time. It was important for me. I didn't start making content until just a few months ago. I really wanted to really learn how to trade before I was like out here trying to, teach people. And now I'm building my own brand, All In with Mitch. It's like the all in mindset. You know, that is kind of like the concept. I want to make it not just about trading, but I want to turn it into also financial education and just, you know, helping people, even if it's just helping guide them into starting. I also own a business outside of day trading. I sell used cars here in Oregon, Portland, Oregon, and I trade and make content. So that is about me. Yeah, I got into, so I never really got in, like, when I trade Forex, so I do trade stocks. I just trade the indices though, the SP, the NASDAQ, shit like that. So Monday, how did you learn when you first starting? Did you hop on a course? That's what I'm trying to say, is I got connected with the company I'm in, Iovia, and they've been around the longest. There's nothing that touches what they offer. We have live educators every single day. My goal is to one day be one of these educators, but these are all big traders and investors that are very, they get audited. Like, this is the real deal. Like, they have to pass audits. Like, I've seen people come and go because they obviously weren't maintaining a win rate that they require. So they will boot people off if they do not consistently, you know, have a consistent win rate. They can't be teaching people. That's the beauty of this company. You're not getting some stupid ass course on WAP from some kid that you don't even know if he is actually a successful trader. You know what I mean? A lot of these guys on social media, you guys need to realize, yeah, some of them can trade, don't get me wrong, but you have to realize that a lot of them are just making their money from social media and YouTube, the content, right? And I don't trade, I trade crypto and Forex. So I trade futures and I trade crypto. Leveraged crypto though. I don't just do spot. I do leveraged crypto. And if you guys want a really good exchange to trade leveraged crypto, DM me. Or if you want to learn how to trade, DM me. I will literally, I got you. Just DM me. I got you. And then the other thing I was going to say is, also, just follow my TikTok, my YouTube. I'm going to get more and more consistent with going live and making content. My mission is to just help you guys, man. But if you guys really want to dive deep and get consistent and become an actual trader, I'm not someone that's going to tell you, Trade Locker. No. Do not. So what broker are you using with Trade Locker for crypto, dude? Don't use Trade Locker for crypto. The spreads are horrible and the fees are horrible, but the spreads are, don't tell me KT Forex. Oh no, bro, do not trade crypto on KOT Forex, bro. The spreads are fucking insane, dude. Tradeaholics, please. I knew you were gonna say that too. Fuck, dude. I used to do it years ago. I know. I learned, dude. Just DM me. I will personally send you a referral link for Blowfin. I use Blowfin. This is by far one of the best exchanges, bro. By far. I just send me a DM, dude. I got you. Just please send me a DM. I gotta get you off of that, dude. So I will send you my link for Blowfin. They're no KYC in the United States. Also, I can send you guys, I started, there's another one called WeX. I mainly trade on Blowfin, but there's another one called WeX, which is regulated in the US. Now, the cool thing about this is, and I personally did it, all you have to do is register your email and phone number. They have up to 200x leverage. I don't recommend doing that. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate that. Also, go over to the YouTube. Follow my YouTube, All In with Mitch. Let me see if anyone, I swear, TikTok's a lot easier to build up. I don't got any new followers on YouTube. So, guys, go over to All In with Mitch or just go to my TikTok bio. You can click the link. So, this is WeX, okay? Same thing. Leverage crypto. They literally give you, bro. If you, and I tested it for myself just to show people. Let's just see what it is still. The welcome pack. Okay. All I did was make an account on here with my email and phone number. They gave me a free $100. Then if you load, what was it? 200, they gave me another $100 in USDT, because you trade everything against USDT, the stable coin. If it will load, I don't know what the hell is going on. No, I mean, I got some money in Webull, just like long term. I got micro strategies on there. I don't trade stocks, bro. So it's not letting me click this. I don't know what's going on here. But dude, just send me a link. I'll send you the link to WeX, and I'll send you the link to Blowfin. The WeX will have a free sign up bonus for doing it. Let's get back to the SP500. So we missed the entry right here. Well, actually, no, we didn't, because so that's called WeX, bro. I'll send you the link to that, but Blowfin is my main one. The WeX, the reason I'm advertising it, or not advertising, but telling you guys about it, is because when you sign up with your email and phone number, they give you like 100. When I did it, it was a free $100. This was a month ago, just for putting your email and phone number in. $100 for USDT to trade with. They also have demo trading. So Ryan and Tradeaholics, bro, Blowfin and WeX, they both have demo trading, so you can get good at trading with leverage for free. It's just demo trading. Plus, they have copy traders. I'm actually going to register to be a copy trader, and you earn, like, you know, people's, like, a little cut of the fees. And all they do is copy your trades, and you just leave it there. And it shows their risk to reward ratio. It shows you if they're good, all that. So now, look at this. So we came up, this is Monday now, the following week. Remember, we're already up 12%. For everyone that's tuning in, I'm showing you guys the power of compounding a trading account. We started with a $500 trading account, $500. All we have to gain is 4% a week, which is 16% a month. For 5 years, that $500 account, if you could maintain 4% a week, you would get it would turn into $3.6 million. I trade New York session. It would turn into $3.6 million if you just got 4% a week. With this strategy that I'm showing you guys, we're already up 12% from the week prior. So we got 2 weeks worth of profit. So maybe this week, I mean, when you're back testing, you need to act like, you need to really play it as if it's, you know, put yourself in the mind frame as if you're trading with your real money. It's very important to do that when you backtest. So since we're already up 12% for the last week, yeah, the London highs and lows are very important. And this right here is Lux Algo. It's called Sessions, and it boxes up. So blue London, red for Tokyo, and orange for New York. And I honestly use it. You can look at the highs and lows because it boxes it up real nice. I'll keep it on there for a minute. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. But I'm telling you, this ORB strategy is something new I've been testing, and I do like it. I like it. I appreciate the likes, Teresa. Everyone, follow, subscribe, comment, you know, do the deed. But go follow the YouTube page, man. I post a lot of long content on here. I'm actually filming right now. I got one new subscriber. I appreciate it. I'm actually filming. Oh, just type in all in with Mish. Here, I'll type it for you guys. All you gotta do is type this in for YouTube, X, Instagram, TikTok. All you have to do is type in all in with Mitch, all one word. And I'm building. Okay, I'm gonna explain the ORB strategy right now. So all it is you're marking up at 9:30 Eastern, right? The opening candle of the New York market, 9:30. So for me, it's 6:30 because it's Pacific time, right? I'm in Oregon. And you can actually get this indicator called ORB. Just type in ORB by ZZZ Crypto 123, and it marks up. But you have to go to the settings and change it so it's the 15 minute. It has to be 15-minute chart. Yes, it works on everything. Before you guys jumped in on Jay, we did Bitcoin. Now we're doing the SP 500. We did gold, Bitcoin, NASDAQ. It works on everything, bro. So watch. You have to be on the 15-minute time frame, all right? So you wait for the opening candle, the high and the low is the green and red lines, and then you wait for a break above or below, because we can short too. It doesn't have to be. So, and you also want to be following the higher time frame trend. That is also important, to follow the trend, right? Like, we're bullish on the full 4 hour. We're very, very bullish on the 4 hour. So we go back down. Now, you're waiting for a break or a break below the green or red line. And as soon as you get the break, you take the long, or if it's a break below, you take the short, right? So now we're up 12%. We missed this one because this was a tough one to get into, because that first green candle just blew right past us. And yes, after a break above on the 15-minute, you can drop down to the 5-minute to look for an entry. Now, yes, we could take the buy here. Let's just do it just for whatever. I mean, we came back down, actually. We should have waited for a better entry, okay? We should have waited for a better entry. Boom. Now we're going. Boom. Now to get the 1 to 2, because remember, we're risking 1 to get 2 every day. We put our stop loss below the green line for this one, which is a pretty big one. We would have to get to here to get the 1 to 2, to get the 2% for the day. Sorry, my dog is getting into some stuff. Okay. That is what we would have to get to. Let's see if we get it. Volume's decreasing, though. It's a low volume day, guys. I can already tell. Well, for security, we're going to go back up to the 15-minute. Let's look at it on the 15. We're looking okay, but look down here. The volume is, man, the volume is really... What's up, man? Mog Trades, how you doing, man? We're showing the ORB strategy. So follow, like, subscribe. I appreciate all of them. Also go over to the YouTube, All In with Mitch, all one word. We at this point, we tapped up here. Is there some resistance or what? So this is where you would have to be realistic. We're getting red volume to the downside. We could close early for half the profit, right? It is a kind of one of those things. And then if you were really in this trade, we could be moving our stop loss. You know, we could be moving it to break even at this point because we're way above. And it could be a risk-free trade if we moved our stop loss. We're getting up there. We're getting up. It's not looking too good. What time in the day is it? This is 5:30. We're closing this trade. We're not. This is past. You cannot go past the New York market on this. So we're going for 1 to 2s. I like to trade 1 to 3s also. Okay, so he knows about the Mog Trades here, knows about the ORB. Nice, nice. Okay, I love it. Welcome, everyone joining. How you guys doing? I appreciate the likes, follows, and you can join the YouTube as well. So this trade, sorry, we would have gotten, you know, it wasn't a full, I mean, I think it might have been though. Hold on, let's see if we would have doubled off that. No, not quite. We could call it that we gained 1% on this trade. Maybe 1%. Just hypothetically, we could be at 13% now. Maybe 12.5. But, I mean, it was a positive day. It wasn't a bad one, right? So we're up. And for everyone tuning in, we're trying to show the power of compounding a trading account. If you start with a $500 account, right? And we're just trying to grow it by 4% a day using the ORB strategy. 16% a month would get a $500 account over 5 years to $3.6 million fucking dollars. I would hold your soul. If you just bought one soul, just hold it until November, December. when the market, or just sell when it hits $300 or $400, my man. But hey, keep dollar cost averaging into it. And also, Julio with the hoodie, like, subscribe, like or follow and subscribe to my YouTube and my TikTok, also my X account. It's all the same, all in with Mitch, all one word. So we got to move on to the next day. We were in and out of this trade. Okay, shit, we missed our entry. So I like to go for 1 to 3s, my man. But on this MOG strategy, we're going for just 1 to 2s. This is called the compound interest calculator. Compound interest calculator. And this is a very powerful, compound interest is a very powerful tool. Maybe I need to do a video on compound interest, the power of compounding. So this is key. Look at this, guys. So, no way, it's called the MOG strategy. This is called the ORB strategy. So this would have been a highly successful trade. Obviously, backtesting, we missed the click, but we could have easily, if this would have been live, when this wicked back in here, yeah, it got a little iffy, but when it closed back below, we could have took the short, and we could have went for a 1 to 2, and that would have easily cleared this thing. Now, since we didn't officially, I clicked too fast. I mean, this would have been an easy setup. I mean, we could just call this that we got another 2% on this. I mean, yeah, I didn't click it. I didn't click the button, unfortunately, because I clicked too fast. But this would have been a no-brainer. I mean, this is so simple. Look at that green on the 5-minute, this green candle coming back up. Then we print this red one. I would have gotten in. Easy trade. 5 years. 5 years total. I do this full time. I just started making content a few months ago. I'm going heavy on it now. And I'm building a community. If you really want to learn how to trade, though, I'm a part of the biggest education platform out there. We have live educators all day long, Monday through Friday, some on Saturday and Sunday. We also have a lot of scanners that are AI powered that help you. Also, you can use tools like this, crypto harmonic patterns. Just for an example, this one called out Cardano at 69 cents, and it's already hit take profit 1 and 2. You can go back to 2 days ago, click on a random one. Solana 3 days ago, it called the short at 135, and it's already cleared take profit 1 and 2. And you guys, I promise you there's nothing that touches what Iovia offers. The overall goal of using these strategies, I just started with getting into trading. So Luna, please DM me. I would love to help you out, man. So just DM me and we can talk some more. The overall goal of these strategies is, it's called Iovia. If anyone's trying to learn how to trade and is interested, just DM me. And when I get off the live, I'm going to respond to all the messages when I get off the live. Just DM me. I promise you, hands down, the best education platform. But also, for free, you can join, follow my TikTok. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. DM me. Just DM me. And then we'll hop on a Zoom call and talk. But also, just follow my into deep in trading off of my phone. I would recommend at least a laptop, my man. It is a little difficult just going off your phone because it's like you got to be able to mark up charts and stuff. It's hard to just do that. I'll be honest with you. If you could just get a cheap laptop, though, man, it doesn't even have to be anything powerful. It just has to be able to pop open TradingView and the websites and stuff. But for free, guys, obviously follow my TikTok and my YouTube, man. Follow my TikTok and YouTube for sure. Everyone joining in, how's it going? So we're testing out what's called the ORB strategy. We could just go ahead and say we got another 2% on this trade. We're up 15%. How do I get started? So just DM me, and as soon as this live is over, I'm going to respond to messages and I'll talk to you. But I got you 100%. And then also follow my TikTok and my YouTube page, All In with Mitch. Let's see if we got any new subscribers on the YouTube page as we are sitting here. No one's joined, only one person. Guys, get over to the YouTube page. Type in All In with Mitch. Because here's the thing. I need to build up the followers so then I can go live on YouTube and I can just screen share. Like right now I got to use my phone for you guys, and I'd love... Yes. Oh, it gets into every detail of trading, bro. There's more educators on here than you can even do. I mean, there's more. Each one of these guys are certified. I met this guy recently. In person, I just met this guy recently. And this guy lives in Puerto Rico. This is a 6-7 figure trader. I mean, the real deal. He lives out in Puerto Rico because out there's no capital gains tax. So all the money he makes from trading investing has to pay no taxes, no capital gains tax, bro. All his he goes live Monday through Friday. If you miss his session, you can click here and go to the recorded sessions. Then you go to favorite sessions, and he's got, you know, his boot camps and stuff like that. And this is on every single, in every language, every single language, guys. TikTok is not going to make you a successful trader. I'm sorry. How many returns do you get a day with options versus long term? So, yes, sir, Ryan. Yes, you definitely paying for education, man. It's, you know, I tried going the route of only watching YouTube, and it's just, there's nothing like hands-on trading, bro, or hands-on education. And the amount of education you get in here. The other thing, all these people, some of the guys on YouTube and stuff are very successful, you know. A lot of them, though, are recycling information. Ryan, just DM me. We'll talk. Just DM me. But a lot of people are just recycling information, right? And they're not even... The good thing about IOVA is all these people are audited every quarter. And if they do not maintain the win rate that they require, then they get booted off. I've seen it happen. These people will sometimes disappear, and you're like, what the fuck happened? Because they didn't maintain their win rate. Yes, investing into yourself is the best thing you can do while trading. Dude, I have people ask me outside of you know, TikTok and YouTube, like, hey man, what crypto coin should I jump into, right? Because I'll be honest with you, I was telling people, so I started on this bull run, I knew what to expect. I started buying Solana when it was $10, $20 back in 2022. I was buying Bitcoin when it was 18,000. I was buying Bitcoin when it was 20,000, all the way up, right? And I was telling my friends and people, like, hey man, like, start accumulating, start buying it. Oh man, that shit's going to zero, blah, 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 and shit like that, right? And I kept telling people, man, like, dude, I was buying XRP at 30 cents, buying and accumulating at 30 cents. I was buying Solana at $8 to $10, $20 all day long. And, you know, now all of a sudden people want to ask me, what coin should I buy, man? What coin should I get? What should I buy? What should I get? And, you know, this is what happens every bull run, is people want to start buying after it pumps and shit. And I always tell people, man, the best investment is in yourself. Like, education, mentorship, like, dude, learning the skill set. Like, me putting in the money to learn how to trade was by far the greatest thing I've ever done, dude. And I continue to pay for mentorship and education because I continue to get better and better. I have literally 2 mentors right now. One in IOVA, but then I also have a private mentorship with a buddy of mine that's a 28 years old multimillionaire. I've been trading 5 years, man. You know, my good buddy that is out in Miami is a multimillionaire from day trading and crypto also. Forex and crypto is what he trades. Everyone that I've learned all from, they all are crypto and Forex traders. We all learned how to trade on Forex though. I appreciate it, man. And that, I like that you say that, bro, because the whole thing of the All In with Mitch, the whole plan is I'm building I'm building a brand, the all-in mindset brand, like the all-in mindset. You don't half-ass anything. You go all in. It's never too late to get started. It's never too late. It's never too late, man. And anyone that's really interested in diving deep in trading, man, DM me. But I'm trying to build the all-in mindset. And like, I have a business outside of trading and content. I also sell used cars here in Portland, Oregon, right? And part of this whole brand that I want to bring is like, I don't want to just only be about trading and crypto and Forex. I want it to all in stocks. I want it to be about teaching people how to build a business, how to get an LLC, how to get business funding. Like, let's get the LLC, but then let me show you how to flip your credit, turn that up, and then also get business funding and get access to 20, 50,000, 100,000 and credit lines, right? And that's my whole like financial education, man. Even if it's just putting your money in the right assets, like fuck. Let me do this real quick. Fuck, doing like all the, you know, buying all of this shit and that shit. Like, dude, get all, you know, let's build some wealth and then let's go, you know, buy whatever the fuck we want once you have financial freedom, right? That is the key thing here. But most people don't want to fucking, you know, put money in assets. They want to put money in the next car, the next chain, the next sweatshirt, the next this, that, right? Bro, I'll walk out the door with a plain black shirt and whatever. I'll put Nike sweatpants on and I'll be more confident than any motherfucker out there. Because I know who I am, right? Like, I'll walk out the door with flip-flops and swim trunks and fucking be more confident than any motherfucker out there. It's all about your mindset, bro. You know what I mean? Who you are. You gotta know who the fuck you are. But that's the whole plan, is like, I'm building, yeah, it's like trading education is a key thing here, but, and I eventually want to evolve it into a brand where it's just like, it's not just about trading, it's just financial education as a whole, right? That's like the main goal here. Long term. But let's see where else we're at now. So we caught another 2% on Tuesday. I appreciate you guys, by the way. I really do. And I do want to do, so I want to get this going, TikTok live on the computer. I've already done it, but the problem is, because then I can screen share and you guys can just literally just see my screen and also my webcam on the side, right? I've already done this, but the thing is it doesn't bring, it's only for people following you that get a notification, just like when I go live on YouTube. That's why I need you guys to follow my YouTube page so I can get more people up, because I prefer to just screen share so I'm not on the phone showing, so you can just see my whole screen and then my webcam. But on the TikTok live studio, it's only advertising right now. Is what you're doing right now with your live money. What do you mean is what you're doing right now with your live money, Luna? I'm not sure what you mean by that. But I want to do the TikTok live on the computer, but it only shows people following me, like notifies them. I don't get all the random people just coming in like I am on the phone, on the mobile. It's kind of weird how it works like that. They made the TikTok live studio more like Twitch, and it's like only going to notify. It's harder to get. Like, I would have never met you guys just now if I would have done TikTok live studio, because I wouldn't have gotten the random people coming in as much as I am right now. So I'm trying to build this up every day more and more, getting more of you guys to follow me, so then I can just do the TikTok live studio or the YouTube live. So then it's just screen sharing and I'm not showing my screen through a phone. Kimber. It'll be a million times better. Can you, what's in the hallway? Hey! Sorry, my little Pomeranians. Okay. So we are backtesting the ORB strategy. We are already up, what was it? 15%. Our goal for the month is only 16% a month, but obviously we're going to keep taking the right setups as we see them. So this thing, this one, dude, this could have been, holy shit, this could have been like a 1 to 7, but we're trying to just catch 1 to 2s, being realistic, catching 4% a week, showing the power of the compound interest. You start with a $500 account, you grew at 4% a week, which is 16% in a month. Over 5 years, that $500 account would be 3.6 million fucking dollars. If you could just gain 4% a week in the market. And we literally right now, we've only back tested a week, and we're a week and one, so 8 days, and we're up 15%. So we almost caught our monthly goal if we were being realistic here, right? But I want you guys to see the power of, I know like when you first start trading, I did the same things like, oh, it's only 20 bucks. I'm only up 20 bucks. I'm only up 10 bucks. Because you're only trading with like a little $500 account. But you can't look at it like that. Everything in trading is in percentages and building that up. So yeah, the first month it's 500, but then after the next month you're up 16%. Then it's going to turn into $680 or whatever it is. And then you're gaining 16% on the 680. And the thing over 5 years will turn into $3.6 million if you could just maintain 4% a week. You guys see the power in that? 50 tick stop loss? Okay. Huh? Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Everyone follow not only the TikTok, but go over to the YouTube. Let's see how many people we got. We got 2 new ones. 3 new ones. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, we're about to miss it. What's 12? Oh, no. Okay, we're almost there. So, everyone join in. We are testing the ORB strategy. It is called the Open Range Breakout. Now, this thing is so simple. And, I mean, dude, over the past week of backtesting, we're up on every, shit, I think we hit every trade. And this is the SP 500. But we've already done this on gold, Bitcoin, NASDAQ. We've done it on fucking anything and everything. So you have to be, oh shit. Sorry, you have to be on the 15-minute time frame. What time? Oh, 6 a.m. We're about to hit it. Here it comes. Boom. Wait, it should be. Why didn't we get the candle? Oh. Wait, what is going on here? Oh, there it is. Okay. There it is. The big red candle. You see the green line and the blue line. Okay. So, now the rules are you have to be on the 15-minute time frame and you have to get a candle to break above or below the red or green line, right? So now we just broke above the green line, which next candle, we are bullish. So we would go for a long. No question about it. We are super bullish. We could have dropped down the 5-minute, but it has to be a candle broken on the 15-minute time frame. So our entry is not the best, okay? This is actually a really shitty entry. And we are gone. Okay, so we need a 1 to 2. Where would our stop loss be on this one? It's kind of weird. Let's just go for below the green line. 1 to 2. We have to catch it to up there, to be honest. Let's just, boom. We already caught it. Done for the day. Another banger. Fuck, dude. Okay, we're up 17%. Do you guys see how easy this is? Like, we're already up 17%. We've literally caught every fucking trade. We're just back testing in previous data, playing realistic as if we were really trading real money. Okay. You know, it doesn't get as simple as this. This is back testing, so it's just going back in time, and you can trade previous data as if in demo trades. See, I can go buy, I can go short, I can go both ways. So pay attention. I'm teaching my stepson right now next to me. You got stopped out. Well, where did I get stopped out? I moved this. It was already below. I moved it. I was saying it was weird where the stop, where to put it. We didn't even enter till up here, bro. So we got nowhere near our stop loss on this one. Oh, the New York session. So it has to be the New York session at 9:30 Eastern. Yeah, we didn't even get close to our stop loss. So you haven't put your real money on it. No, I trade with real money, but it's Saturday, so I trade Monday through Friday. I mainly trade crypto and I trade Forex, but I trade Monday through Friday. I really don't take trades Saturday and Sunday. What we're doing is backtesting. So I'm trying to show you guys a really simple strategy that I'm learning as I go too. This is a new strategy for me. It's more of a scalping. I'm more of an intraday swing trader. Intraday mainly. I'm in and out without the day, but this is appealing to me. I see how accurate this shit is. I use TradingView just to mark up the charts. That's all. So look at, okay, so the candle has to be the 15-minute, but it has to break below or above the green or red line. Vinny, why don't you pay attention?
Hey.
No, you're not. You can literally learn this. So it has to be the market open candle, 9:30 Eastern. For me, it's 6:30 Pacific time is the New York market open. Yes, thank you, Luna. And then, so we wicked below, but that doesn't count. We have to break below it. That is like right on the line. I wouldn't even count that. That technically is a break below, but I would still want to see one more candle, because that's why. I would still want to see one more candle, because look what happened. This is a hammer, a bullish hammer candle, indicating that we are obviously not going to keep going lower. So you see why we saved ourselves on that. Like, yeah, we broke below it, but it was weak as you know what. So it is weak as fuck. It just didn't count. Okay, now that is a full body close below. That is what we want. But what is that smell?
I don't know.
Is it in the hallway? Okay, sorry, I think the dog might have had an accident. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. So we had a full body close below, but obviously I'm happy we didn't take it because it's a little iffy. It's a little iffy. I'm not too confident on this. Okay. Now this is actually, there's my little Pomeranian Jim, bro, and my stepson. So I would be willing to take this sell. Okay. So right here, we're going to figure out where our stop loss. And actually, I could do this too. So let's put our stop loss above here. I know it's a little high. And then we want a 1 to 2. That's a big stop loss actually, but we need a 1 to 2. And we also need to look for support, right? Okay. We might actually have to go, this might have to be, so I'm going to go for this support down here. Our stop loss is pretty big. Why don't we do this? We'll go for a short stop loss, because what I'm thinking is, let's just see. We're going to, I mean, as long as we're above the red line, we're covered, right? Our stop loss is above the red line. If it breaks it, then guess what? We lost the 1%. Boom. In profit. Come on, baby. Come on. So far, so good. We're hovering. What's holding this? Okay. I mean, also, if you use a fib, well, actually, we're going for a short. So we go on the Fibonacci, we go high to low. Oh, look at that. Look at, I can't make this up. Yes, Blowfin is my crypto exchange. Send me a DM. No, this is TradingView, but I trade crypto on Blowfin. Send me a, Jimmy, what's up, bro? There you are. I seen you yesterday, actually. So I'm happy you joined in. I think you saw the ORB strategy yesterday, man. We're going over it again. You wouldn't believe the results we're getting on this. We're doing the SP500 at the ORB strategy. Jimmy's been tuning in live. Went to the dentist today. Well, I hope everything went okay, man. I appreciate you, Jimmy. For everyone tuning in, Jimmy's been joining us every live. I appreciate it a lot. He has been consistent. So I marked up the Fibonacci tool, and look how, I mean, the Fibonacci tool is so important. Look how it literally, we wicked into the 618 level, which they call the golden zone. Some do. I kind of like the 786. Okay, we're starting to look a little iffy here. And this trade might be the first loser. Maybe not. And, oh, we're surviving. We're hanging in there, but we're going to get tapped out, guys. Yep. Okay. So, on this trade, we lost 1%. But that's okay. We're up 16%. No, TradingView's free. I personally trade for the premium version, which is $30 a month. You don't have to, especially as a beginner. I pay $30 a month because you get way more. You can put way more signals, you know, for when it hits a price and shit like that. Way more indicators, more charts, more backtesting data. There's a lot of perks to paying the $30. I just do the premium. They do have like a super ultra one or whatever, but I don't personally pay for it. But here's the thing. So with this trade, I'm going to show you guys something. We did come down to here, right? And technically, you could have closed the trade when it hit here. You could have. Or, this is the other scenario. You could have shaved 50% of your profit or 25% of your profit, then moved your stop loss to break and yes, can you move your stop loss and trail? Yes, you can. That's what I'm about to tell you. You could have shaved 25% or 50% of your profit, and then you could have also moved your stop loss to break even, and this technically wouldn't have been a loss, right? I took the 1% off because we're being, you know, we're just like, we've won every trade. And I'm just like, okay, let's just be a little realistic. We lost a trade, right? You can't win every single, we've won every trade, but using the ORB strategy so far. And for the people tuning in, I'm trying to show the power of compounding an account with $500. If you just gain 4% a week, which is 16% in a month, over 5 years, that $500 account would turn to 3.6, almost $3.7 million. Like the power of compounding is very insane. I know in the beginning your little profits. Okay, we're on the next day. The other thing I need to point out that I've lost track of. You want to trade the ORB strategy just during New York market. And technically, we were all the way over here at 4 a.m. London set. We wouldn't have even been in the trade that long. We wouldn't have been in the trade for this because this is 5 p.m. So we would have technically, oh shit, we wouldn't have even entered that trade because this was at 1 p.m. It's like the end of the New York market. We would have not even taken this trade. I'm going to leave the minus 1% on here. It's fine. But yeah, I need to focus and, do you mind showing how you place your stop loss? Yes, I will. I got you, William. Also, everyone follow the TikTok page, my X account, and my YouTube. It's all of it is all in with Mitch. All one word. All in with Mitch. But no spaces or anything, obviously. Also the Instagram as well. So, now we got the next day's candle, okay? Let me zoom in just a little bit. Okay, we're testing the ORB strategy. So far, we've been very successful. Opening of New York market, 9:30 Eastern. So here's the low, here's the high, the red line and the green line. So we need on the 15-minute, we need a full body close above. That doesn't really count. That's not valid. There we go.
For subscribing.
Thank you for following.
Subscribe.
Joined.
On YouTube.
Okay. Oh, we got a new subscriber on YouTube? No.
Yeah.
78. Still the same. Oh, we did. We got one more. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, so I broke down to the 5-minute so we could get a better entry. If we can come down, I'm hoping we can come down to the green line. I think we might break out. So this is where we ask ourselves, should we go for it? The volume is green. We had a couple little red ones. You know, we are starting to wick. Let's just see what one more candle prints. See? And it's failing to break. That's definitely pushing bullish. Let's see. I appreciate the follows. Thank you, everyone. Follow, like, subscribe. See, okay, this is why we didn't take the entry. That I'm willing. Let's go for it. So stop loss is gonna be, I'm gonna show you guys, below the breakout over here. This is where this is the breakout, but we're gonna go below this base. We want a 1 to 2. And remember, everyone that's tuning in, we are testing a new strategy. I personally don't trade this every day. This isn't I mainly trade smart money concepts, but I am seeing how accurate this strategy is. This is actually really good. We're gonna take our take profit up here. I'm just worried that the volume isn't enough to push this. And there we go. Nope. But you see how it respects the green line? Do you see that? How well it respects the green line? It's crazy. I mean, this... there we go. Come on. What time is it in the day? Oh, it's end of market. 125. This no longer would be... That wick is 3 p.m. We're just going to close the trade and be done with it. We at least profited a tiny little bit, but this trade did not play out in the time frame that we wanted it to. And it might push up. It might, but guess what? You have to trade this during New York session. You cannot trade this. Like, we started to get the breakout, but it just wasn't enough volume that day, and that's all. I mean, if we could have caught at this wick right here, when it wicked back in here, that would have actually, been a cool little 1 to 5. But it just wasn't, the right entry, and we're playing this realistically. Okay, now it sweeps it. Hold on, someone's at my door. Oh, that's my door. Hold on, guys, hold on. Someone's at my door. Hold on 1 second. Might be my other stop sign. Is that there? I'm the dog. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My stepson came home, but he was not gonna see. I would have took a trade short on the downtrend. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, no. So this never broke over here. It never broke. We're wanting it to break above the green line or below the red line. If it would have broke below the red line, then we would have went for the short, right? So we're trading the orb strategy. So, oh, we got the next day's candle. Shit, we missed it. That's okay. Sometimes you miss a trade. So the orb kind of rallied into the next day. So we're right here. We melted through the red line. This would have been a short, right? We would have wanted this. We would have wanted to be able to take that, but we missed it.
Hey, where's Mom?
We would have wanted that. And man, that was a runner, but we missed the entry, guys. Wait, but hold on, we might get back up. If we get back up, 10 o'clock, we could take, let's see where it went though. We actually could. We could take this short. I think it's doable. Let's see what happens. But it is late in the trading day. It's like 10:15. So let's see what happens. This might be a fail. We're in profit. Oop, got wicked up. Ooh, now it's really close. We're gonna take a loss on that one, but that's okay.
Yeah, Alex. When you got a minute, can you turn on my screen time?
Yeah. Okay, so that one did not play out. We need a -1. So this week the volume is just not in our side, right? We are on the 15-minute time frame. Mia, follow, like, subscribe. Send me a DM if you're really anyone's trying to really learn how to trade. Just send me a DM. When we're over at the live, I'm gonna message you guys back. So this day wouldn't have played out how we wanted. It would have if we would have caught the correct, like, this did play out how we wanted. It went right through the red line that day. But we couldn't get, if we broke down the 5 minute, we could have caught maybe the second candle. The volume was just so quick. I clicked it too fast. If this would have been live, you could have easily caught this. This would have been a hit, right? This definitely would have been a successful trade. If we would have been able, if we were trading it live and I wasn't clicking too fast, this definitely could have been an easy trade. So now we'll go back to the 15 minute, but it's fine. We're back testing, right? So let's just be mindful of what time it is. 1:15. Okay, so we're almost there. Yeah, I mean, I could have, and I showed you what we could have easily took on that, and we could have easily hit that trade. That could have easily been a winner, but it's fine. We're just gonna go. Eyes out. Okay, here we go. Boom. Now we got the next day's orb. We got the next day's orb. Okay, so watch. We need to break above the green or below the red line. Boom. Super quick. Sometimes we can't. Let's go down to 5 minute, look for the entry. The volume is very fast. Vinny, stop. Okay, this is very quick. Dude, both of you, can you be quiet, please? Don't start yelling and being super fucking loud, Vinny. Okay, so right here, we're down the 5 minute. It bounced. It just wicked off the green line. Let's click one more. If we get a green candle, no, it's just not valid enough yet. I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take this. There it is. We could go for this. Boom. Okay. So, boom. The stop loss. Just be below the breakout. Now we need a 1 to 2. Where would that be? 1 to 2. Right there. That's all we need right here is a 1 to 2. So if we can get this. Oh, man. Super close. Come on. Boom. Up 2%. Easy. Now we're up 17% again. Because we lost those little 2 ones. But that's why risk management is so fucking key in this. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. But we are doing great. Vinny, there's something on the potty pads. On the potty pads. Sorry guys, I got 2 Pomeranians and I swear I smell something. Maybe I'm tripping. I thought I smelled something, but okay, so we're up 17%. For everyone tuning in, we're back testing the orb strategy. I'm trying to show that if you literally start with a $500 account and grew it by 4% a week, 16% a month, over 5 years, that would turn into $3.6 million off $500 if you were consistently just trading 4%. We're back testing. We're in the second week on the SP 500. We're up 17% already, and we're already on the second week, just testing this one simple strategy. And that is it. I mean, it doesn't get... It is a very simple scalping strategy that literally any of you guys could learn. Just DM me. I will literally help you learn how to trade. DM me. I will message you after the live. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, we're getting close to the... Okay, next candle. Boom. Okay, there it is. Green and red lines. Let's wait for it. Okay, we broke below. Then immediately wicked back up, right? Let's see what the next candle brings. Oh, it just rejected immediately. And it's already invalid. So you wouldn't want to take that. This is risky. A little risky. You know, it could come down to here though. It really could. This is the support down here. It could come down to there. Yeah, he said don't do it. I mean, I feel like it might play out. We're going to skip this day. What day is it? It's a Wednesday. We're going to skip it. It played out though. You know what I mean? I was thinking about taking the short on this candle. And we could have took it, guys. We could have. But guess what? We didn't do it to play it safe. We're up 17%. Why you can't always take the gamble. And this thing would have easily hit. You know what I mean? It would have actually went farther. You know? It was iffy. It was. Things and such. Yes, it was. It was a little iffy, man. Because you look at the 15-minute and this was the candle. It's like we missed it, right? And when it broke below this, correct, but then it came back all the way up into the middle of it, and it basically invalidates it, right? Because it came right back into the orb range, but then it just milked right through it, and it was so fast that by the time you break down the 5-minute, yes, you could have taken it on this green candle. You could have easily taken it on this green candle. Maybe broke down to the 1-minute and got in on this candle instead. But it's okay. You know what I mean? Like, we're already up. Luna, I like it, man. I appreciate that. I'm happy to help you, man. But like I said, man, follow my channels, but also DM me. Let's get you started on a demo account and tap you into some our community, and also get you the education that you really need to become a successful trader, bro. And the other thing about it too is, like, you know, you never know who you might also bring in and teach eventually. You know what I mean? I'll tell you this, day trading. So it all started, you know, back in 2018, I got my first full Bitcoin. And it was like a 1.5 full Bitcoin, 2017, 2018. I got 1.5 full Bitcoin. Sold it way too early. Then someone from the company I'm in, Iovia, for trading, came in, I met him, and I gave it a chance in 2020 to really dive deep into day trading, and I got addicted to it. But the key thing here was it changed my whole mindset. Trading, discipline, it changed my whole life, my whole view on money, my whole view on the world. All these different doors started opening. You know, I own a business outside of day trading and content, selling used cars. And then there was like credit, business funding, you know, like different doors just started opening my mind. You know, with day trading, you're viewing everything that's going on politically and what's going on in the economy. It grows your mindset to so much more, right? Like, you completely change who you are. Yes, Ryan, yep. And the crazy thing is, it all started with day trading, man. And like, it's not just day trading, it changes your whole view on everything, bro. And it opens your mind to so much more. So we're about to get into the next orb. Okay, there we go. And you guys, we can do this on anything. Bitcoin, gold, NASDAQ, Forex pairs. I mean, this works on everything, this orb strategy. Okay, so we did get a close below, but it's an ugly close. It's not the greatest. Let's see what the next candle prints. Boom. We're going in. Oh, man. Another banger. Already. Oh, look at that. Are we already at a 1 to 2? We're already at a 1.9. This is already a 1.2. So, I mean, I could just close this now. Jackie 12 El Nano, what's up? Okay, you guys want to jump in? How you guys doing, man? What's going on? So this is all. How you doing? So close this. We're already up another 2%. What's going on, guys?
You want to battle on it?
What's up?
You want to battle?
Battle what?
Battle. A match.
What? Are you guys trying to learn how to trade or what? What's up, El Nano? How you doing? You invited me to this. Do you trade?
What?
Do you day trade? Oh, okay. So you're just watching? You're just watching? Huh?
That's what happened.
Alright. Well. So obviously you jumped on here, you invited me. I'm just trying to figure out.
My English no.
Muy poquito español, my friend.
Bueno Spanish?
Muy poquito. So,
Poquito.
yeah, poquito.
My English no bueno.
Okay. Well, I gotta get back to the trading, my friend.
No.
Huh?
No.
I gotta get back to the trading, alright? I appreciate you. Anyways. How the fuck do I exit this shit, dude? Alright, man. Dude, how do I literally... Alright, man. So, I'm gonna get off of here. You wanna exit it? I don't even know how to exit this shit, dude. How do I... Someone help me here. How do I exit this shit, dude? This is... El Nino.
But
How do you exit this? What the fuck, dude? Hey, you're fucking up the flow, dude. Dude, how do you exit this? Yeah, dude, this is whack as fuck, dude. Hey.
it's music?
Hey, buddy. I don't even know what I clicked on, dude. I did not mean to even click on this shit. This is crazy. So, Luna, do you know how to exit this? Like, dude, I've never even done this, to be honest. Dude, this is... How do you... Yeah, later. Oh, hold on. Buddy, you gotta go. How do you exit this? There you go. Thank God, dude. What the fuck was that? I thought it was clicking on something else. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't even mean to click on that. I don't even know what just happened there. But that was crazy. I don't know what that was all about. So anyway, so like I just said, we just hit another one. I put the other 2% up. We're up 19% now. It's Thursday going into Friday. And look at that. Right afterwards, dude, that shit bounced right back up. So we got in and out on that one. And we're going to do one more just to end off 2 full weeks of the ORB strategy on SP. And then, but this strategy works every time. What's up, Dre? What's up, man? Oh, shit, we missed it. Fuck. Okay. Well, we're up 19% on this, but we would have easily taken this one. So as soon as market open, the ORB, open range break. Well, okay, Dre, so I'm showing the ORB strategy. It's probably the most simple strategy. You, at 9:30 Eastern, the New York market candle. This is on the SP 500. I've done gold, I've done Bitcoin, I've done NASDAQ. Now we're doing SP. I'm just showing how easy the strategy is. So as soon as you get a full candle body on the 15-minute close above or below the red or the green line, which is the open or the high and the low of the open candle, you would go long. So we'd break down the 5-minute. You could have went long right here and just snag a 1 to 2. Put the stop loss below there. We already hit a 1 to 2 on that, right? You can play it out a little bit more, see what happens. This is on a Friday, but I would have just snagged the 1 to 2 and been done. Because now we're breaking down into it, right? I hit the button too fast, but we already snagged a 1 to 2 right there. And I can show you over and over how many times this is played out, or how many trades have played out in our favor. 1 to 2s. Every market open, 1 to 2. We've done 2 weeks consecutively. Another 1 to 2. Another 1 to 2. Over and over. Another 1 to 2. Another 1 to 2. Another 1 to 2. I mean, another 1 to 2. Look how easy this is. Another 1 to 2. Oh, that was a 1 to 4. Dude, this strategy is like beyond simple. Right at market open. Dude, we're up, literally, now we're up 21%. I'm trying to show people, this is the power of a simplified 1 to 2 strategy on the market open. All you're doing is, on the market open, you're waiting on the 15-minute. It has to be the 15-minute. This works on stocks, crypto, Forex. So yes, Pacific time, 6:30. 6:30, okay? The high and the low of the open candle, you need one full candle, a full body close above or below the high and the low of the market open candle. And then you can go down to the 5-minute after you get a 15-minute open, or above the line or below the line on the red. And then you could have went long on that candle right there. And that would have been a 1 to 2. Done deal. Boom. What I'm trying to show people is the power of compounding your account. So say you had a $500 account. All right. If you grew your account 4% a week, which is 16% a month, for 5 years consecutively, just 4% a week, we're talking that $500 account turning into $3.6 million just off a $500 account over 5 years. Just going for 4% a week. I just showed you with this simple strategy, in 2 weeks, we're up 21%. That is Friday now, so that's 2 full weeks, and we're up 21%. We almost have 2 months worth of gains, right? Now, we've been on this stream for 3.5 hours. I do gotta make dinner. I just wanted to show you guys the power of this, right? I mean, it's crazy how accurate this indicator is. I mean, this strategy is, sorry. 15-minute time frame, man. Full body close. And, I mean, dude, we did on gold, we did Bitcoin, we did everything. And we are now, yeah, I'm ready to go make dinner. Hey man, I appreciate everyone that watched this. I did record the YouTube video. This is TradingView, bro. What do you mark your charts up on? You gotta use TradingView. Yeah, Dre, you jumped in at the end of all this. We've been on here for 3.5 hours. You use Thinkorswim? Yeah, hey Luna, man, DM me. Everyone DM me that's really learning how to wants to learn how to trade. Like, if you really want to get into day trading and really learn the right way, man, there's nothing that competes with the education platform that I am on. These are live educators. This is for Forex, Monday through Friday. Here's their schedule. They are live. You hop on. It's going to be a live session. They have the chat box. You can ask questions. They have the pre-recorded sessions. I'll just show you what one of them looks like. In case you you missed the live session, you can click on the pre-recorded. You also are going to get all these different AI generated tools like Impulse, which does Forex, commodities, crypto, indices. Then you're going to also get like the crypto harmonic scanner. Look at this one. This called out this trade perfectly. All you got to do, thank you. I appreciate it, Ryan. I appreciate it, bro. I go live every single day. I'm trying to stay consistent. Also, if anyone needs a crypto exchange, I'm trying to go every day, bro. I've been going live every day. Also, follow my YouTube page, bro. All In with Mitch and my X account. On X, I do more like the news related stuff that I see. Maybe I might post some funny shit too. This is my X page, All In with Mitch, but it's more like you're gonna get crypto news, like CZ, the Binance founder, says nations will print unlimited money to buy Bitcoin. SEC will host its first ever crypto regulation roundtable. That was Friday. There's just more so on the news side for crypto. I post things and some funny shit too, and mindset things. But the YouTube page, obviously I have the long format videos. I've been filming this whole time, the whole live, and I'm gonna make it into a YouTube video. Oh, I hit nice. I just got 4 or 5 subscribers on YouTube. I appreciate that, guys. And then TikTok, obviously I'm trying to make more short-term content, but I've been staying consistent with the lives pretty much every day this whole week. I've been live. And I appreciate you guys watching, man. But yeah, bro, if anyone's really trying to learn how to trade, remember all the traders on here. Oh, here's the live recording. Sorry. You're not going to be able to see the chat box. Hold on. Why is it lagging out? Oh, my internet might have just went down, guys. Nope, maybe not. Okay. But yeah, you're going to see he teaches the Impulse. This strategy, this one right here, he teaches Impulse. Each educator has like their tool and their thing, their strategy that they use. So you figure out what I met this guy personally. I follow him. He trades a strategy called Trend Trap. And then this other guy that I follow, Mike Sotero, which you can find him on YouTube also. Mike Navarrete, I'm sorry. He trades Smart Money Concepts. This is who I learned a lot from. And remember, all of these educators, they get audited every quarter. They're not some bullshit YouTuber that you don't even know if he has the results you're looking for. These people have the results you're looking for, trust me. These are the real deal. These guys really, really trade on a high level. And then, foreign exchange, Forex, stocks and crypto. They do have an e-commerce and a personal development, which is all included. There's nothing out there that even touches what this place offers. And I mean, dude, I know that there's some of them people out there on YouTube charging $1,000 for a course. Like, that's fucking insane, dude. For some new guy trying to learn how to trade, you really think like they're just gonna shell out $1,000 to learn how to trade? Some people do. I mean, it obviously it's working, but I'm just saying I think it's super, super unrealistic for people to just shell out $1,000. But I am getting a phone call. I do need to answer. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you soon, man. Follow, like, subscribe.